Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an eye look. This is a video that I do once a month with the Faithful Fab 8 ladies. And every month we do one collab at the beginning of the month, and someone will decide what type of theme they want it to be and all of that. So because Valentine's Day is around the corner, a pink/red look has been decided, or a look using pink, red, and white shadows, all or just a few. Either or, you can do a pink look if you want, a red look, whatever it is, but those were the 3 shades that were selected. So I decided that I'm going to use my Morphe and Mickey and Friends palette in conjunction with a Colourpop odor palette that I've had for some time and haven't really played in lately, and it's just a beautiful pink palette. So I'm going to try to combine the two, because in the Mickey palette it doesn't have a ton of pinks, and this one has a ton of beautiful pinks, and I just love the palette. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I thought in conjunction I could probably get a good look. And this does have a super beautiful red that I may decide to use as well, and a white, but the pinks were just not the pink shades that I was looking for, and so therefore I thought to myself, probably wouldn't be the best to use, but we're just going to come up with something, I don't know what, and we're just going to play. So currently I have concealer on my eyes as a primer. Before I do get started with the video, I do want to just let you know about the ladies, just in case you are not familiar with them. So the group again that I'm in is the Faithful Fab 8 ladies. The group was started by Faye Blatcher. I was invited to the group by Jennifer Miller, who's known as Amethyst Winters here on YouTube. There is those 2 ladies, myself, there is Desi from Desi's Corner, there is Teresa from Teresa Ann 83, there is Beth from Little Betsy _79, there's Chanel from EY Beauty, and then Tina from Tina Delgado. Like I said, we do a collab once a month where we decide what we want to do, and we just come on and we do that video for you guys. All of the ladies are sweet, sweet ladies. I'm very grateful to know them and to have friendships with each and every one of them. A group who try to support one another and just do fun collabs with each other. I have plenty more collabs with them. Definitely check them out if you haven't. We all do very similar things on our channel. We're all beauty content, but everybody does different things on their channels as well. Like with Beth's channel, she does a lot of panning projects, and they're just so inspiring. And then you have Tina Delgado. She does a lot of beautiful, beautiful looks on her channel. And then you have Teresa and Desi. They do a lot of unboxings of like subscriptions and things like that, but they also do beautiful makeup looks. All of the ladies do awesome makeup looks, but everybody has something different to bring to their channel, as well as same unique things. Of course, we all love makeup. We all love beauty, so we all spend lots of money on makeup and beauty, and we share that with you guys. Anytime I do a video with them, they're linked down below. You can definitely check out their channels. I would say definitely check them out. They're definitely worth being checked out. So let's just go ahead and get started. So this is not a super long video. I'm going to just take this shade here, which is called Thumbs Up. It's that white shade, and I'm going to place that all over the lid to kind of set that concealer just to get started, because that Colourpop palette does not have a overall base shade, and this will kind of help make those colors pop just even more. So I have been enjoying this Mickey palette that was gifted to me from my sister-in-law, Gina. And like I told you guys, she gifted this to me. She is a big, big Mickey lover, but she does not wear makeup. So it was so funny because she surprised me at Christmas and she got me this palette. And I got her the mirror that goes to this palette because I don't need the mirror. I have too many mirrors. And so it was really cute because she doesn't wear makeup, but I told her, because she works from home, so I told her that when she's at home and she's working and she just wants to make sure that she still looks okay even though nobody can see her, she can just keep it at her desk and check herself. So yeah. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get started. I think for now we're done in this palette, just for now. We'll probably come back to it. So in the Colourpop palette, I think I'm going to start off with this shade here. It's looking more coral on camera, but it's not. And I'll show you each of the shades as I go along, like I always do. Okay, so I'm going to quickly go off. I spent a lot of times on the eyes, unfortunately. Go off, put my mascara and the rest of my lips and everything, and I'll come back on and finish the video. So I will be back, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm back. I did get the rest of my makeup on, my mascara, everything, the lips, and all of that. So I just want to quickly share with you guys what I did to the rest of the eyes. Okay, so you saw the shades and stuff that I used in the palette. I took that red from the Mickey and Morphe palette and I put it on the top of my lash line, as well as blended it here in the lower lashes. I took my liner from Colourpop, liquid liner in Graceland, and I just added a white little line underneath that one. I did take my Colourpop cream gel liner in Cherry Pie. That's from the Cherry collection. I took that and put it on the actual waterline. Last time I did a look with kind of red under the eyes. I didn't like how it kind of made me, I felt like I looked a little scary, but this time I kind of like it. I think that it turned out really, really nice. This is going to complete this eye look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Again, this is a collab video with the Faithful Fab 8 ladies. This is our pre-Valentine's look. I'll come in closer, of course, and show you the overall finished look. If you did enjoy this video, I would love for you to give it a thumbs up. Definitely let me know your thoughts on this look. Do you like it? What do you think? I always love to hear your feedback. So I hope that you guys enjoy. Definitely don't forget to check out all of the ladies. Their channels will be linked down below for you guys. So let me come in closer and show you the overall finished look. Now I did use every color that they said. They said you don't have to use all the colors, but I did use some white. I used pink, several pinks. I used red. So I'm really happy with the overall outlook. But let me come in closer and show you guys. I don't know if you could see that red on my lash line. I did wet it so it can come off a little more intense, and then that white, and then I did the red in the waterline. I did take the red in the Mickey palette as well as a pink in the Love Bird palette. I forgot what I called it. Did take those two shades and I blended them on the lower lash line, and I really love the way it looks. This line may not be super straight like this one. That's because my hands were getting a little shaky, but that doesn't bother me. That's not a big deal. I mean, it is what it is. You know, everything can't be perfect, but I am very happy with the look. I do feel like pictures and sometimes even on camera, it just doesn't do it justice, you know, because when I look at myself in the mirror, I'm like, man, this turned out really nice. And then when I go take a picture, it just looks like not great. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already. I really would appreciate it so much. So thank you guys again for watching. This is going to complete this video for today. And until the next one, I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.